Before we begin our journey into the wonderful world of dogs, I'd like to dedicate this video to a very special soul, my beloved dog, Mickey. Thank you, Mickey, for everything. This one's for you. When people think of France, they often imagine delicious pastries, elegant fashion, charming villages, and iconic landmarks. But France has also given the world something else extraordinary. Some of the most fascinating dog breeds ever developed. Today we'll explore some of the most famous French dog breeds, discover their history, personality, and unique characteristics, and along the way we'll learn a little French too. Perhaps the most famous French dog breed is the Poodle, or le Caniche. Many people think of poodles as pampered show dogs with fancy hairstyles. However, their history is surprisingly practical. Originally, poodles were bred as water retrievers. They helped hunters retrieve ducks from lakes and rivers. Their famous haircut was not simply for fashion. Hunters clipped parts of their coat to help the dogs swim efficiently while leaving fur around vital organs for warmth. Poodles come in 4 sizes: standard, medium, miniature, and toy. They are highly intelligent and consistently rank among the smartest dog breeds in the world. Quel chien voudrais-tu avoir? J'aimerais avoir un caniche parce qu'il est très intelligent. Oui, et il apprend vite. No list of French dogs would be complete without the French Bulldog. With their large bat-like ears, compact body, and playful personality, French Bulldogs have become one of the world's most popular companions. Interestingly, despite their name, the breed was partly developed by lace workers from England who moved to France during the Industrial Revolution. French breeders further refined the breed, giving us the adorable dog we know today. French Bulldogs are affectionate, sociable, and ideal for apartment living. However, because of their flat faces, they can experience breathing difficulties and should not exercise excessively in hot weather. Ton Bouledogue Français est adorable. Merci, il adore jouer, mais il aime aussi dormir toute la journée. Comme moi. The Great Pyrenees, known in French as le Chien de Montagne de Pyrénées, is a majestic giant. This impressive breed originated in the Pyrenees mountains between France and Spain, where it guarded sheep against wolves and bears. For centuries, these dogs protected flocks in harsh mountain conditions. Their thick white coats helped them blend in with the sheep and withstand cold temperatures. In the 17th century, the breed became so admired that it was declared the royal dog of France by King Louis XIV. Despite their imposing size, Great Pyrenees dogs are calm, gentle, and extremely devoted to their families. Pourquoi ce chien est-il si grand? Parce qu'il protégeait les troupeaux dans les montagnes. Il a l'air impressionnant. Oui, mais il est très doux. The Papillon is one of France's oldest toy breeds. Its name means butterfly in French because of its large wing-shaped ears. The breed was especially popular among European nobility and frequently appeared in paintings by famous artists. Small in size but big in personality, Papillons are energetic, friendly, and exceptionally intelligent. They excel in obedience and agility competitions. Pourquoi ce chien s'appelle-t-il Papillon? Parce que ses oreilles ressemblent à des ailes de papillons. C'est un très joli nom. Although developed with strong French influence, the Basset Hound traces its roots back to French hunting dogs. The word basset comes from the French word bas, meaning low. These dogs were bred for hunting small game such as rabbits. Their short legs allowed hunters on foot to keep pace with them. Basset Hounds possess an extraordinary sense of smell, second only to the bloodhound. They are known for their long ears, droopy eyes, and calm, affectionate nature. Ton Basset semble très tranquille. Oui, mais dès qu'il sent quelque chose, il devient très actif. The Briard, or Berger de Brie, is a large herding dog from northern France. For centuries, Briards helped farmers herd and guard sheep. These dogs are known for their long wavy coats and remarkable loyalty. French military forces even used Briards during both World Wars to carry messages, locate wounded soldiers, and guard strategic positions. Today, Briards make excellent family dogs, but require regular grooming and plenty of exercise. Le Berger de Brie a beaucoup de poils. Oui, il faut le brosser souvent, mais il est magnifique. The Beauceron is another famous French herding breed. Originating from the plains around Paris, this powerful and athletic dog was traditionally used to herd sheep and protect livestock. Beaucerons are confident, courageous, and highly trainable. Because of their intelligence and work ethic, they are frequently employed in police and military work. They need experienced owners who can provide consistent training and mental stimulation. Le Beauceron semble très sérieux. Oui, c'est un chien de travail très intelligent. One of France's oldest breeds is the Dogue de Bordeaux. This impressive Mastiff-type dog is famous for its enormous head and muscular body. Historically, Dogue de Bordeaux guarded estates, hunted large animals, and even pulled carts. Although they may appear intimidating, they are often affectionate, loyal, and gentle with their families. The breed gained international fame after appearing in the film Turner and Hooch. Les Dogues de Bordeaux fait un peu peur. C'est vrai, mais il adore sa famille. The Barbet is an ancient French water dog. Its thick, curly coat protects it while swimming and retrieving game from wetlands. Many experts believe that the Poodle may have descended from the Barbet. The breed nearly disappeared after World War II, but dedicated breeders successfully revived it. Barbets are friendly, sociable, and love outdoor activities. Ton Barbet adore l'eau. Oui, il nage tous les jours. Un samedi matin, Sophie et son frère Lucas sont allés dans un refuge pour animaux. Ils voulaient adopter un chien. D'abord, ils ont vu un Bouledogue français très calme. Puis, ils ont rencontré un papillon très énergique qui courait partout. Enfin, ils ont vu un jeune berger de Brie. Le chien s'est approché doucement et a posé sa tête sur les genoux de Sophie. « Je crois qu'il nous a choisis, » a dit Lucas. Sophie a souri. « Oui, je pense aussi. » Une semaine plus tard, le berger de Brie vivait déjà avec eux et faisait partie de sa famille. Which French dog breed is your favorite? Would you choose the intelligent Caniche, the adorable Bouledogue Français, or perhaps the majestic Chien de Montagne de Pyrénées? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more about French culture, language, history, and traditions, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. À bientôt et merci d'avoir regardé.